It's another Foodie Friday. We find ourselves in Oakville this morning at In Good Company Kitchen, which is a commissary kitchen where there's a number of businesses that come here and make their meals and then send them out to those that want them. First up is Go Light, Be Fit. We have Andre. Hey, Andre, how are you?
Hey, I'm
nice
good.
to meet you. You leave
Nice
me hanging?
meeting you.
There
Yes.
you go. Right?
Social distancing.
This is a family-run business.
Yes,
Can we do a roll call to who's all here? So we got Andre.
Yes.
We have Luciana, we have your son Lucas, and we have Manu. Did I get everybody?
Yeah, it's our friend and our helper.
Nice, okay. So take us through, what is Go Light Be Fit?
Okay, Go Light Be Fit basically it's a Brazilian stylish dish, like a healthy food prep meal. We prep in containers, we deliver to our customers' doorstep. So they don't need to cook, they don't need to waste time grocery shopping, and everything is healthy and healthy oriented.
So Brazilian food, what is Brazilian food? Anybody
Brazilian food is it's amazing actually. It's an international combination of food because Brazil is multicultural, like from Africa, Italia. We have like Japanese stylish food as well, and it's a combination that everything is like a tropical, stylish food.
So what do we have? So this is this week's meal. So what do we have
Yes.
right here, Andre?
Here we have like a smoked sausage with it's prepared with onions, right? And then we have like at the side carrots and veggies.
Some healthy
very
veg.
healthy.
It kind of
yes.
looks like a little bit like a salsa type style with the sausage.
Yeah, it's like a parsley and kind of like a green condiments
man.
as well.
And then this is the vegetarian option.
Oh, this is the vegetarian option. This is a very famous in Brazil. It's a feijoada.
How do you say it?
Feijoada.
Feijoada.
Yes.
Okay.
Originally, it's pork pieces, right? It's original from Africa. It's a tropical combination actually because you see like the origin on top of it. But here we have tofu sausage.
Okay.
Yeah.
The supplements
pretty healthy, yeah.
That. So today is Friday. So you're prepping the meals
Exactly.
today. When do you deliver the meals?
We deliver Sundays.
Sunday?
Sunday in the afternoon.
So then from Monday to Wednesday, there's new menus up there each and every week?
Yes, we publish the new menus on Sunday evening,
Okay.
right? So the people has the ability to go through and see what they want, and then they have up to Wednesday noon to order.
Awesome, cool. Well, we're going to do four visits here at In Good Company Kitchen. I got one down. Go Light, Be Fit is the first visit. Very nice to meet everybody. All the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity.
We'll continue our tour here in Oakville at the In Good Company Kitchen on Morning Live. We're giving you a virtual food court on this Foodie Fridays. We're in Oakville at the In Good Company Kitchen. So it's a number of companies that come here and make their items, like this Tijuana Tom's hot sauce. We have East House's Cookie Company, and we have some Wahoo. What's that over there? So kind of some flatbreads and some crackers and stuff. But we want to come on in here. Follow me, Luke, because we're in here with Anna. Good morning, Anna. How are you?
Hi. Sorry.
Come on in, because we're showing off Juby.
Yes.
What is Juby?
So we make gluten-free, sugar-free keto products.
Okay.
And the reason we started is that, you know, when you have your favorite dessert and you bite it and you have that pure moment of joy, we wanted to bring that back for people who have dietary restrictions.
So jubilation when you're dieting in the desserts.
Exactly.
Okay.
We want to bring happiness back into people's lives.
Keto is what?
So keto is a type of diet with a low carb intake of foods.
Okay.
Normally, keto people restrict the amount of carbs they eat, but some people, they are not as strict. They might just be doing a lower carb version.
These are keto. These are low carb.
They are sugar-free, gluten-free.
And they're good?
They are. You get to taste them.
Okay, so what's the supplement for all that stuff that we would normally put in? Let's say that's like an Nanaimo bar, isn't it?
It's an Nanaimo bar. Yeah. So we have, and one thing that is important as well, we don't use any artificial coloring. We only use real food, real ingredients. So Nanaimo bars, we have heavy cream, we have coconut, we have cocoa powder. Go ahead, give it a bite.
Oh my goodness. That's in your Nanaimo bar.
It is. So Nanaimo's and the cheesecakes are our best sellers, and like people.
Well, look at them, right? Oh my goodness.
And if you go on our website, we have real customer reviews. Like we don't curate reviews. You see, everybody loves
So
them.
where can we get them? How are you
we
in
only
this day
sell,
and age?
We only sell online on our website, juby.ca right now.
So then do you deliver them or is it
We
curbside to
deliver.
here?
No, we deliver. We offer curbside pickup here in Oakville,
Okay.
but we deliver around GTA. We deliver.
Do you go to
around-
Hamilton?
Yeah, we do,
Go to-
of
go to-
course.
go to
yeah,
Hamilton too?
we
Okay.
deliver every day from Monday to Friday.
Awesome. All right, so let's finish by, you're gonna show me quickly how to
Yes, we're
ice,
going to do some cups. So one of the products we have is a cupcake set that has vanilla cakes with chocolate frosting. So you're going to be doing vanilla.
Can you show me this as we go to break because we're running out of time? So
Okay, okay. So you start like this, straight up. Just gentle pressure on the top. And then you go around.
And then we go around.
Yeah, oh, you're doing a
There
good
we
job.
go. Okay, we'll continue.
And then
our
when you go
tour here.
around, you go back into the middle and just do a gentle push up. Not
Oh,
bad.
Okay, we're
Is
coming.
that your first cupcake ever?
First cupcake ever.
Good job.
Okay, we'll continue our tour here at In Good Company Kitchen in Oakville on Morning Live.
There you go.
So I have an admission to make. I eat too much pasta, but I can't resist. It's just so darn tasty, especially when it's homemade, and that is what we're showing off from Clorinda Pasta, made here at the In Good Company Kitchen in Oakville. We got Hamilton boy, Matt. How you doing, Matt?
Hi there.
How you doing?
Good, good.
Nice to meet you. What is this setup?
So this is a pasta extruder made in Italy, imported to Canada, and it forces the wheat and water, which we have in the hopper here. We have wheat and water mixed, and it comes out as nice fresh pasta.
And then you can change that to whatever the type of pasta that you want.
That's right. And these dies are very expensive. They're made in Italy, a big 1 pound chunk of bronze, but the bronze makes an incredible texture on the pasta. The outside is just mildly ruffled so that it'll pick up a lot of sauce and add a lot more texture and flavor.
I was gonna say, what's the difference between a homemade pasta and, let's say, the hard style pasta that you would get in the store?
Well, the homemade pasta is made for flavor and texture. The stuff in the store is made to sit on the shelf. And that's the biggest difference. And that's why it's so important to have good homemade, fresh-made pasta. It's
Okay.
such a different experience.
Clorinda.
That's
Has to
right.
be a story behind that.
Well, my grandmother's name was Clorinda. And of course, an Italian family from Hamilton. We like our food. So yeah, we've been taking some family approaches to food and making it into my own pasta business.
Good for you. So how long you been doing it for, Matt?
Just about a year. We did a lot of R&D last year, and we started in December going delivering to Hamilton, Burlington. Oakville.
I could have helped out with the R&D.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of offers on that. I'll be honest.
Do you have a favorite?
Well, the agnolotti that I make here.
Okay, what is it? I don't know.
So
agnolotti.
it's just a small rolled stuffed pasta. I've got 3 cheeses in there. It's ricotta, Grana Padano, and Furlano cheeses. They're mixed. They're put in the pasta, and I shape and cut each one by hand.
Because that's more labor intensive than, let's say, the fusilli that you're just making right there.
It is.
Right?
It is. But the flavor is unbelievable.
Okay. So how do we get it?
Clorindapasta.ca is my website. I take online orders and I deliver to Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville. And I do pick up here in Oakville if people want to pick it up.
Do you? Okay. So how are people ordering? Like, they're just not getting like one thing. You want to be ordering a bunch of them? Like,
That's right. Most
what's the
people do.
shelf life on fresh pasta?
Well, the fresh pasta will last in your fridge for about a week. It does freeze really well. And the stuffed pastas come frozen. So you can keep them and cook them. If you can boil water, you can make my pasta at home. And that's the whole idea. I also have 5 different sauces and a number of different fillings for the agnolotti. I'm doing a mushroom stuffed ravioli for spring. It's a parsley dough and stuffed with cremini mushrooms. That's my May special, so that's coming out this week, brand new.
Amazing. Awesome, cool. Shout out to your grandpa. What's the connection there? Your grandpa?
Oh, my grandfather had a commissary kitchen, and he ran the cafeteria for the Hamilton Spectator back in the 50s and 60s. So we go a long way back in food, the Bin
cool.
family.
Can you show me how to run the
Sure, come on over.
pastria? We'll do this as we.
You go ahead and take the knife.
As we go to break, we'll continue
And-
here at In Good Company Kitchen. We're making soup when we come back. Morning Live. Tell me when.
Yep. And again.
Well, I hope you're having a super morning. If not, it's going to get super better, because Save the Day Catering is with us here, making soup. Went for the easy one there. It's just too easy. This is Steph, everybody. Chef Steph. And your specialty is soup.
Yes.
What makes soup so delicious, Steph?
It's just comfort food. It's good all year round. There's so much you can do with it. Like I have about 60 to 70 varieties that I offer on a rotation. So
60 or 70?
at least 60 to 70, and I usually come up with one to two new soups every month. So there's always a variety, and I never do any overlap. So every week my customers can get something totally different.
Okay, take it. What do we got here?
So
What's one?
this is a chicken tortilla soup. This is a soup that I brought back with me from my travels in Mexico. So the base of it is it's a chicken and tomato broth that I simmered for hours, and then I had some chicken thighs that I marinated overnight, grilled them, and then finished them slow cooking in here.
You want the thigh, right? Like the thigh. For
The
soup
thigh
is better.
is much better. The chicken breast is so lean it tends to dry out and kind of gets stringy.
Yeah.
The thigh and leg meat has a lot more fat, which translates to a lot more flavor. So whenever I'm doing soups like this, I always use the dark
Is there
meat.
anything else that's going in there?
Yeah, so in here right now I have tomatoes, black beans, some herbs and spices, and chicken. So if you want to help me out here.
Yeah, that just.
So here we have charred corn.
So it's just dumped in.
Yeah, throw it right in. And then we have charred bell peppers. And the reason I'm adding this at the end is I wanted to preserve the texture of it. If I were to put that in at the beginning, it would just kind of soften
So
up.
this is almost done.
Yes, the broth is done. I just wanted to save the corn and peppers for the end so that you get that nice texture and that smoky flavor.
So you're making all of this soup here at the Good in Good Company Kitchen in
Yep.
Oakville, and then you're delivering these to door to door.
Yeah, so my family and I, my mom, my brother-in-law, my wife, or my father-in-law, sorry, and my brother, they all help out. We deliver to Oakville, Burlington, and then all suburbs of Hamilton, Ancaster, Dundas, Flamborough, Mount Hope.
Do you want to throw that in the
Yeah.
bowl and we'll top
Yeah.
it with some toppings?
So
here
we'll
people can
finish
see the
this
finished
off
edition?
here.
Like how many are you doing in let's say in a week or? A month, or-
So I do soups on Wednesdays and Sundays. My average delivery day is about 50 to 60 deliveries, which translates roughly to about 2 to 250 liters of soup.
Because those are the two
per
sizes
week.
that we have here.
Those are the two sizes. There's a 16 ounce and a 32 ounce. So the 16 ounce is like perfect for a single portion, and then the 32 ounce is great for two.
It's good and hearty too.
Oh
right?
yeah, and we're not done. So right here I got some wild rice. So we're gonna.
This all comes on top of it. As
Yes. This is all a garnish on top. All my soups are very, very hearty. I don't skimp on ingredients.
well. Best place to order your soup is from where?
My website, SaveTheDayCatering.com. You'll click on a tab. It says Super Days, and it'll have Wednesday and Sunday. You click on the day, and it'll show what I'm offering on that day. And there's an order form on that page, and you just order right online.
Cool. We'll finish topping that
Yeah.
up.
So
and,
this is just a mix of Monterey Jack and aged cheddar.
awesome.
and
Save the
then
Day Catering.
We're gonna have some pico de
Finishing
gallo here.
off a super week.
Some
In Good
pico
Company
adds a
Kitchen.
little bit of color and some
Oakville, Illinois.
freshness. And then it can't be chicken tortilla without the tortilla. Some fried tortilla strips there. There you have. If you want to give that a try,
Yeah, buddy.
all yours, straight from Mexico.